How to use possessive adjectives in French. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an important topic for anyone learning French, possessive adjectives. These are words that show ownership or possession, just like my, your, or their in English. But in French, it's a little different. Ready? Let's go. What are possessive adjectives? In English, we have my, your, his, or her, or its, our, their. In French, we also have possessive adjectives, but they change based on the gender, masculine, feminine, and number, singular, plural, of the noun they describe, not the owner. That's a major difference from English. Here's the basic breakdown.
Mon, ma, mes. Ton, ta, tes. Son, sa, ses. Notre, nos. Votre, vos. Leur, leur.
Key points to remember. Gender agreement. The possessive adjective agrees with the noun's gender, not the owner's. For example, mon père, my father. Le père is masculine, so we use mon. Ma mère, my mother. Mère is feminine, so we use ma. My parents. Parents is plural, so we use mes, starting with a vowel. When the noun starts with a vowel or silent H, we always use the masculine form
Mon, ton, son.
to make pronunciation smoother. For example,
Mon ami.
even though ami is feminine, we use mon because it starts with a vowel. Plural possession. No need to worry about gender for plural nouns. Just use
Mes, tes, ses. Nos, vos, leurs.
Let's practice with examples. Here are some examples in French to get a better feel of how these work. Try reading them aloud. Mon chien est adorable. Ta voiture est rapide. Ses amis sont drôles. Notre maison est grande. Vos idées sont intéressantes. Illustration: a day in the life of Pierre. To bring this lesson to life, imagine a character named Pierre. Let's describe his day using possessive adjectives. Pierre starts his day by grabbing his bag. Son sac. He meets up with his friends. Ses amis. Then they head to their school. Leur école. After school, Pierre talks about his day, sa journée, with his parents. That's it for today. Now you've got a better grasp on possessive adjectives in French. Practice using them in your own sentences and soon they'll become second nature. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun French lessons. À bientôt!